Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable secure boot on your Windows device. So to actually enable the secure boot on your Windows device, you need to enter device mode. So first you need to check your BIOS type. So you need to open the start menu as you see from here and search for system information. Click on it. And now from here, you can actually see your BIOS mode type. So you need to make sure that it is UEFI. After that, you need to close it and search for tbm.msc. Now from here you need to check the status. As you see, the TBM is ready for use. So now after you check that, you need to restart your PC from here. So go to the power option and restart your PC. So now after you restart, you need to wait for the PC to start again, and when the logo of your PC appears, you need to actually spam the delete button or the BIOS button for your device. It can be F1, F2, F12, F13 or delete button depending on your device type. After that, now the BIOS settings will open. As see from here, you need to find the secure boot option. So it may be in the security options, or depending on your device type, you can find it elsewhere like on the advanced settings or on the menu for the settings. So after that, you need to just enable it as see from here and save the settings and restart your PC. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.